Sometimes a mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood, on my attitude. Sometimes I wanna roll or stay at home, walk in contradiction, get some factual and fiction.
What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you guys how I make my aloe vera leave-in conditioner using the actual aloe vera plant. For today's video, you'll be needing, of course, an aloe vera plant or aloe vera gel, depending on what you like to use or what you can get at the time. I actually got this plant from Cardenas. If I go to like Stater Brothers or Albertsons or Walmart, they give you this little one, like half the size, really skinny, really thin, for about $4 or $5, and I'm just not having that. This cost me 79 cents. Because they do it by pound at Cardenas. You'll be needing a knife to cut it with, a spoon to scrape the stuff out with, a bowl to put it in, and you'll need either cheesecloth or a strainer, or you can use pantyhose and stuff like that in order to strain it. I like to strain it with 2 different methods so I won't get those little white flakes in my hair. And of course, a spray bottle. Alright, so first I like to start off by, of course, peeling off this sticker and cutting off this white part. Alright, and I'm going to cut off these rigid sides. And I'm going to cut it into smaller sections. Alright, and then one more cut down all of them. Alright, and then after you're done cutting them up, we're going to whoosh. Oh, it's already dripping. Oh, I'm not even gonna say that what this looks or feels like. So we're just gonna get the spoon and we'll just scrape it out. The benefits of aloe vera. So it repairs your dead skin in your scalp. It reduces the dandruff in your scalp and the itching. It conditions your full hair and treats your split ends. And it also leaves your hair smooth and shiny. We're going to use a blender at the beginning of this video, but I'm pretty sure everyone has a blender in their house. So we're just going to put that in there. And then I also forgot to add on the oils that I want to do. I'm just going to do 100% pure virgin olive oil. I also have 100% pure Jamaican castor oil. And then I'm gonna do some pure jojoba oil. This is just gonna help mostly make it smell good. It soothes your scalp, so it helps activate the aloe vera, hydrates your hair, and it's a very lightweight and conditions your hair as well. We're gonna add a little smidge of water just because it's already a thick consistency and we want to make it a little bit more of a liquid, you know? All right, and then we're gonna cover it up and we're going to grab these two sides just because they're the shortest sides and I don't want them to fall through. I'm gonna grab each corner. So you just want to go through. It should be pretty easy since you blended it up. I'm just going to transfer this into here so we can pour it back into the bowl. I'm just gonna hold it and pour it through. Alright. It looks like this probably could have gone in there, but it looks like it's more of the gooey side. I'm gonna leave it alone just because I don't want that white stuff in my hair. That's honestly the worst thing is when you're done washing your hair, you spray this on your hair and you have white flakes everywhere and it's impossible to get out. Even if you wash it again, it probably will still be in there for a couple more washes. So make sure you guys are aware of that and take the extra precaution of using this. Alright, so this final step, I would have like a funnel, but I don't have one at the moment. So we're gonna make one. What you do is just fold this into a square. And then I'll just fold. Have I done this before? No. So hopefully this works. Looks like it should work. We should be good. All right. That worked all too perfectly. And I'm not complaining at all. Okay, we got our push on. I mean, it kind of smells bad, but like aloe vera, it smells like a plant. It's not like bad. And now we use it on our hair.